of development and what development promises for different people. So we have seen different people and their aspirations. Landless rural labor is there. That we discussed it is he wanted better wages. Then prosperous farmers, farmer depending on rains, a woman from rural area, unemployed youth from urban area, people living in minings, and a fisherman. All these people do not have the same concept of their development. Then why do not they have same kind of a development? Because their life situations are different. Depending on their life situation, these individuals have different concepts of their development. But one important thing is common in all these individuals. What is that common? That is earning money, a good job, better income, better price for the crop. A fisherman want to catch many fish so that he could sell maximum and get good income. So what do we find common in all these people? That is income. So income is one thing, but it is not the whole thing deciding the development. Okay. Some people may think of earning money, but some other people may think of other than the money. Okay. So depending on their life situation and the way of thinking, they gives priority for their development, right? Here we find that the development involves many aspirations. It is not about one thing. They need many more things. They have many desires, many aspirations, right? When all those aspirations are fulfilled, then they feel it is a development. So development is not same for one individual to another individual, one person to another person, right? And what is development for the one is not matching with other, and it involves many aspirations, so that we call it is a complex task. Which is a complex task? Development is complex task. Let us see that the development of a person may disrupt or destroy the development of others. And also we find here income is not only the whole criteria for the development. Okay. Here we see one example. Understand whose development is needed here. It is a concept revealing us the idea of development is conflicted one. Okay. Look at this figure. What do you see in this figure? There is a protest against nuclear power project which is going to be constructed at the time at a place called Kudankulam. Kudankulam is one city in a Tirunelli district of Tamil Nadu. There, many of the people livelihood is catching fish. There are many fisher folks are there. Where in Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Okay, sorry, in Kudankulam area, understand? So here we see fisher folks are losing their livelihood when a project called nuclear power plant is going to be constructed. It nuclear power plant is not giving safe there. Here there are two important points in this concept. Understand? What you know there, how is the idea of a development here? It varies from one group of people to another group of people, or one individual to another individual. Sometimes it may conflict with the development of another one, that we will find here. Understand? Here there are many differences about the ways of development. So where is this Kudankulam nuclear power plant? It is Tamil Nadu. Okay, in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. There is what, a coastal area. We see there people are catching the fish. Understand? It is a nuclear power plant. It is a sorry. It is a It is a place where the government wanted to construct a nuclear power plant because there is a shortage of energy needs, the power supply which is needed for the industrial development is very shortage. It is not enough to meet the needs of the industries, that is a power needs. So to meet the needs of the industries, there the government planned to construct this nuclear power plant in this Kudankulam region, where many of the people livelihood is catching fish. And here we see that if the project is constructed, then there may not be safety because the toxic waste coming from the project, the smoke which releases from the industry, that is the nuclear plant, is destruction to the lives and safety security of the local people. Okay, this is raised by the local people there. They demanded that they may not get safety on the grounds of safety, security, and livelihood of the people there. A movement started to protest the construction of a nuclear power plant. So many of the people, especially scientists, environmentalists, social activists, they criticized the project of constructing nuclear power plant. They stood up on the side of the people in the protest movement. Though there was a strong protest movement, government constructed this nuclear power plant, and which taken away the livelihood of the fisher folks. Who are called fisher folks? Who are catching fish. Those people are called fisher folks. So fisher folk community had lost their livelihood instead. So letters of the protest to the government, they sent that to stop the construction of the nuclear power plant. Okay, which letters? Letters of protest. And so they wanted that their coast and that nation should be protected from radioactive peril. You know that nuclear plant uses uranium, which is the raw material. That is a radioactive material, right? So that gives some problem and dangerous thing to the people who are living in that area. So they said that to stop the project, and they also demanded the government to look for another way to overcome the growing energy needs. Okay, to look for a renewable energy that is alternative for the nuclear power plant, because there are experiences in the world, the means the bitter experiences are there in the world. In Russia, their Chernobyl nuclear power plant, there the poisonous gas leaked out and taken the lives of many people. In Japan, Fukushima is the name of the nuclear power plant. There also several lakhs of people died. So these bitter experiences we have. So knowing to these bitter experiences, and in addition to that, where the fisher folks and local people fall in danger with the project, how do they allow it? So they demanded to look for the what, another alternative to meet the growing energy needs. So despite the protest of the people, uh, there the government opened the plant, saying that that nuclear plant, Kudankulam nuclear plant, have all the safety measures. So what I want to say from this example, that idea of a development of one particular community is destroying and disrupting the development of another people. Understand? Development of another people. That means fisher folks, local people, their development is that they should have safety and good environment, that is a healthy environment for their life. Okay, that is the development of the local people and fisher folks. They want security where they are living. That is their development, that is their goal of development. Whereas industrial people want a power supply for the production of their industrial products. So they demanded the government to provide energy. So in order to provide energy for these industrial people, government decided to construct the project there. Okay, so here we see two kinds of developments. One development is to meet the growing energy needs of the nation, that is needed. Second development is that there is need to protect people's livelihood and their security and their safety, So these two developmental goals of two community people are conflicting with one to another, right? If government decides to construct this nuclear power plant, then the development of the fisher folks and the local people is destroyed, right? That is one thing. Second thing is that if the government rejects the proposal of constructing the Kudankulam nuclear power plant, then what do we see? Government may not provide energy needed to the industries. So their development is destroyed. So what do we see here? The developmental goals are conflicted. One, what is development for one, it may not be development for another one, and it may conflict with such development. Understand? So once development may destroy the development of other. The industrials development is that they need energy. What they need? Energy. And their development is destroying the development of the fisher folks. That is their livelihood, which is in that quite coastal town Kudankulam. So from this we can conclude that developmental goals are conflicted. One, right? Different persons have different notions of development. Understand? Look at here. What do we see? That different persons have different developmental goals, and what is development for one may not be development for other, and it may be destructive for other. It destroys the development of others. Okay, with this we can conclude that developmental goals are conflicted. One, okay, and we have one more example to understand that developmental goals are conflicted. One, okay, I want to show some pictures of the nuclear power plant. This is Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Where it is at Kudankulam in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. There this power plant is constructed. Okay, so by this you may find in a examination to point out the location of the Kudankulam power plant. So you have to point out here for map pointing. Okay, where is Kudankulam atomic power plant? Okay, then you should point out that is at the southern part of India, just near to the Kanyakumari. Okay, to the east side of the Kanyakumari we have nuclear power plant. Okay, next let me show you that what are the problems when the waste is dumped. Okay, let me show you. See, people's protest against nuclear power plant at Kudankulam. See, they are demanding that to stop the construction of the power plant, but the government constructed that plant. Okay, and who are the side on the side of the people? Scientists, environmentalists, social activists who fight for the society development, fisher folks, all these people, they protested the construction of the nuclear power plant. Why did they protest? On the grounds of safety, security, and the livelihood of the people, or not? Another important issue also we have, it is what to call Ivory Coast. Look at here, West African country Ivory Coast. In Ivory Coast there is a city Abidjan. Which is city? Abidjan. Okay, which is the coastal city. Here it is. So here in this coastal city, a company had a contract with the government at Abidjan, that dumping of waste. Which one? Dumping of waste material. Okay. So here 500 tons. How many? 500 tons of liquid toxic waste coming from a company dumped in the city of Abidjan, which is surrounding to the sea. It is in Ivory Coast. Okay, and this waste material dumped here, that caused nausea. What? Nausea and skin rashes. Skin rashes. Okay, wait. Then what do you call? Panting. Which one? Panting. Okay, that means becoming weak because of the waste material. Okay, several persons died here due to the smoke and toxic waste one company dumped at the coast of Abidjan, right? So what problems people faced by this waste material? Okay, look at here. This figure shows how much waste is dumped here. Is it good for the local people who are nearby this waste dump? That how that smoke and that smell affects the life of the local people surrounding in that area. Instead, look at this figure, how ugly it is, right? Then it caused nausea, skin rashes, fainting, and diarrhea. These are the problems people suffered with that. What you call here? After a few months, several persons died in this coastal town, and 20 they join in the hospital. 26,000 they are in hospital for getting the treatment. So the multinational company dealing with the petroleum had an agreement with the local company of Abidjan. Look at here. What do you look here? Skin rashes on these people. See here, it is there on the cheeks of this child. So skin rashes. So what does these people here? Huh? Does the company have that right to destroy the safety and security and better life of these people? No. There is right for everyone to lead a good environment, to lead life in good environment. But what do we see here? The development is conflicting here. Instead, their development is conflicting with the development of the local company, which tied an agreement with a multinational company. Do not. So here it is protested by the people. Instead, let me show you that there's some more things here. Look at here on the skin of this boy. I'm zooming it. See, there is a skin rash here, right? Here is that one. They are not getting the fresh air also because of that waste material dumped in that coastal city. Or not. Development is complex. Understand? And who are the people benefited here with the construction of the nuclear power plant? It is the what industrial people, right? And who are the people suffered in that construction, in that constructed plant? That is fisher folks, local people, they suffered a lot. So the development goal for a nation should be in a way, it should give benefit to all the people. Okay, but we see here development involves many things which conflicts with the development of the other persons, or not.